We getting active in the snow, baby. Hey, all pink edition. They getting the sun. Hold up. Hey, y'all see what it is? Hey, close up coming on my helmet soon. Hey, so fucking lit. Hey, what Tom Brady? Why? Aaron Rodgers. Pink. Y'all see what's going on today? Pink edition, baby. Hey, peep the shoes. Ah! Pink edition Gucci. Like, hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey, we back in it. Hey, I'm old. Y'all see what it is? I'm here in the snow. I'm getting it going, y'all know. Hey, y'all know when black folk get Christmas, when black folk get snow, it's like Christmas. Hey, but VikingCustomKicks, this is not, let me back up so y'all won't hear the thing. Hey, this is not the VikingCustomKicks impressive shoes right now. This ain't time for that. You know, I'm just here. I got a self-flying drone. What kind of $1 million man with $1 million brains and the right mindset don't cop a flying drone? You know what I mean? Hey, but today, we just getting lit, you know what I'm saying? Hey, peep the pink edition, by the way. Y'all see the snow. Hey, but I'm just coming out here to get some drill, see how the camera work. That's it. Hey, like, support. Understand me? Hey, getting some fire shots today. B-roll. Hey, Chad. So I'm just heating up in a hot real quick. Real hot boy shit. 305 shit. This is not 304. 305 shit. You know what the vibes is. Camera. I got a better video coming more. I'm gonna be explaining that. Y'all might see me playing for Syracuse. Shit. One of them. Hey, but vibe be litty. I ain't really got no customized shoes with me. All that heat is on my feet, man.